Hey traders, today we're going to talk about how to start your own home-based business, or in this case, how to start up your home-based trading business. And there's a lot of benefits in terms of starting your own business, being your own boss. However, there's a lot of challenges, especially if you're looking to open up a retail store, or perhaps deal with a business where you have to hire employees and all this inventory stuff. So one of the things that in terms of operating your own trading business that you don't have to deal with is have bad clients. Sorry, I'll refund your money. So perhaps sometimes a client can be very demanding, very difficult. You need to be 24/7 with them. With operating your own home-based trading business, you don't have to deal with bad clients. Now, the other thing is, in terms of operating your own business, is perhaps you look to hire employees, so you won't have to deal with bad employees. Some of these employees that you hire, could be very lazy. They could not be able to do the job that you want them to do. So with trading, again, you don't need to hire any employees. You are your own boss and you are the business. Now the third thing is, if you operate a retail store, or you operate a warehouse, you operate a business that requires you to buy inventory, and supplies of products to sell, you have to be able to put the capital to buy that inventory. With trading, there is no inventory. So in this case, you don't have to find warehouse space to store it. You don't have to put all this expenditure to buying the products, and hopefully those products will be able to sell itself. And the last thing, and not but least, is when you operate your business, perhaps you might need to get office space, right? Perhaps clients need to come and see you, or you have to house your employees. Sorry, Mr. Lee, I'll pay you next week. Again, with trading, you don't need to operate or open up a business, open an office. You could basically work from home. Now, if you start your own home-based trading business, all you really need is three things. You need a desktop computer or a laptop. You need internet, access to the internet, and just need access to capital, and you are in business. So next week, we're going to talk about why do traders lose money, and I'll go through some examples, why unsuccessful traders consistently lose money. So again, make sure to subscribe to our videos, like us on Facebook and Twitter, and I'll see you guys next time.